For us, no, wala pang advantage para sa amin. We know TNT will come back stronger, and I think for us we have to be ready sa next game kasi wala pa kaming nagawa talaga. For our team kasi it's not about individual, so it's a total team effort. Whoever score, as long as we score, whoever sino yung pinaka magandang nilaro, we feed off him. So yun yung maganda sa team namin. It's all about total team effort. Malaking bagay sa amin na lahat ng players kasi I think same with the TNT, we all know after the finals na agad, so I think this is the right time na medyo may konting pahinga, but ayaw din namin talagang I love you. Ayaw din namin talagang magpahinga mentally, of course. We need to work hard more.